Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to say hey, and I've added my next tutorial class on Thinkific. The link will be below the video. For all of you out there in YouTube land, if you ever want to come over and check out the collection of tutorials that I have over there, each class is $35. You can pick and choose any class you want to take. And I did this to help people learn how to paint who have never painted before in their lives, who want to do, they can do fluid art, but if they want to learn how to paint with acrylics, I'm willing to teach you from start to finish how to do a painting. I've done multiple paintings. I've done the Bohemian flower, a country road landscape, an abstract, a funky elephant, and some koi fish. And so this painting that I just finished and will be adding to my tutorials is how to paint a bird. This one is called a white-browed bush robin. So if you have never painted a bird before and you would like to learn, this class is only $35 and you have a lifetime access to it. You can also watch it in the comfort of your home and paint there and have a few friends over and paint together. You're welcome to do it from home as well. So this is for people that can't get out and go to art classes, but they can do it at home. And there's lots of people who do acrylic pouring that follow me and would like to do something on top of their pours. So this gives you a chance. This one is a bird. I have the koi fish tutorial where you can do koi fish on top of a pour. I'm going to teach so many more tutorials on different things that you can add on top of your pour as well to embellish it. So I'm looking forward to adding so many more things. I'm going to do, dolphins and flowers, just all kinds of fun stuff. It's going to be a blast. So check out my tutorial if you would like to. And if you join as a subscription, if you do the monthly subscription, you get two $35 classes for $60. And if you do the 6-month subscription, you save 25% on 12 classes. And if you do the annual, you save 30% on 24 classes. So I try to offer a significant savings the bigger the package. But you can purchase one class at a time, whichever class you want to take. And I'm definitely going to do a butterfly class because people love butterflies and so do I. And I think I'll do a hummingbird one too. Hummingbirds are really popular. But I wanted to show you my little robin, and the tutorial is out there and ready to purchase. So check it out. And I'll see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.